guys, today in this video we'll be rebuilding the Cleveland Browns. We're checking out the roster. It's good. And
maybe Stephon. Maybe Stephon did one.
He's a corner.
Yeah.
Okay.
Stephon?
We have Micah Hyde. That means we could get a strong safety. Now we're signing David Bakhtiari. Bro, all of these dudes are superstars. And Michael Thomas and Cam Akers. We're gonna make Micah Hyde a strong safety. And this is the team now. Like,
you have 4 superstars. No, 5 superstars.
Like, cut 5 players, and we're gonna get a penalty. We can't cut him.
No, cut Deshaun. Cut him.
I have to cut this dude. We want to get the rookie back. The rookie, so we're playoff contenders.
Yeah. We should trade Deshaun Watson for someone.
No, we're gonna get a penalty. All right, we're gonna look for a QB. Okay, we found, because they obviously weren't gonna. He's a backup though, so.
Wait. So he has the speed. He's the second fastest quarterback in the league. Yes.
Bet. Just fixed our QB problem, bro. Look at this dude. All right, so we're gonna watch this game or sim it, and then if we're getting destroyed, we'll probably jump in. All right, Graydon, you want to jump in? Oh, they're out of timeouts. Yes, we won. So we're gonna be simming the Jaguars, Giants, Raiders game. We have 5 overall advantage, so I'm just gonna sim this one.
Yeah, are we done simming? I'm gonna hop in for a few.
All right, 5 and 0.
Okay, where's the Eagles?
All right, we're gonna hop into the Eagles game. Our first loss of the year.
Hey, it's against
We're gonna trade Nick Chubb
because he's getting old. Trent McDuffie? Fine. Should we get a running back?
We have Cam Akers. Bro, look at this defense, though.
Wait, the rookie already has his star.
Yep. And McDuffie's gonna play next game. This game.
Please win. Please win. We lost. Okay, we actually might lose.
We still have no chance.
There's no way we lose to the Chargers.
Should we jump in for a little bit?
Yeah.
We're send the Steelers. If we lose to the Broncos. Okay, so
8-4.
We got destroyed. Like,
Team.
and we just lost again.
This is not good.
There's no point. We're not gonna beat the Chiefs.
There's no way.
Okay.
We may play.
This is the projection.
Okay.
But if we lose this, our odds are almost over.
I know.
Okay. We tied. 16-0.
Oh my god.
16-0. Playoff picture. We're not even in it. We're not in it.
What if we beat the
Steelers. No.
We have to beat this team.
We have to. Have to win this. Like, we have to win this. No. We have to win this. We have to play.
Seen that for CPU.
Oh, shoot. No, please. No. Justin Fields, please.
Why was he wide open?
Just play good for once. Just please
Hey,
lock.
this is the biggest game of probably your career.
Which, I don't even know.
If that's even possible right here. The one team we had to verse was Baltimore. I think there's 16.
Please,
now.
please,
That's
please,
good
please,
enough.
please.
Go. Please, please, please. Yes.
All right, let's go. It's all in the hands of Justin Fields, sadly. He's kind of set. But I don't really like those super realistic reballs. Go, 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 go.
Yes.
I don't know, do we?
Oh. Yeah, it's actually kind of smart.
Set up.
Okay.
We just beat the #1 seed if we just better make this.
Game winner. That's all up to you.
Come on.
What's up?
It's good! It's good! It's good! Oh my god! It's good! It's good!
Oh my god. Oh my god.
The biggest upset of the year.
Here.
We missed out.
How?
We missed out.
No, bro.
Oh.
So basically, we're gonna. If Baltimore wins, basically we're the team.
Baltimore won. Bro, Baltimore won. We're literally the only team to beat Baltimore. So, I don't think we have that many picks.
Oh.
No.
Justin Fields got traded.
And we want to win a Super Bowl. McDuffie isn't even starting. All we need, QB. No, you can't. Draft recap? Anyone good? This is the worst draft I've ever had.
I don't care. Just go to free agency. Just get everyone. So our team sucks.
We're all.
So like an 80. Oh my. Here's a buck. Odell, bro, please just get Odell.
Got
and Michael
Michael?
Thomas back. Get Michael. Prove it.
Get
Odell.
Okay. Just get. Okay.
It's like
Okay.
this is not.
Please still be a super. Alright, he's normal. Our whole team is cooked.
The trade. Miles Garrett and Trent McDuffie
Denzel.
and David Njoku.
I think our only shot is trading Miles. Oh, this actually happened in real life. Watson on the Steelers.
I think CJ.
Look,
Another Ohio State player.
we'd be building the OSU again.
Oh, it's Denzel.
Denzel, maybe. Maybe.
Free trap is a trade model. But it was worth it. We needed a quarterback.
85.
Oh. No, just do generate the best line.
Hey, CJ, happy to be here. We traded for Maquan St. Brown. And she's in the Titans. It came down to we're worse than the Titans. Oh, 1-0.
I guess it.
Can we survive the Packers?
I'm playing. Take this.
No, we cannot.
Take just screw it. Just like advance the
Here,
win.
let's watch the Bengals. We want to waste time? Oh, you're OBJ, by the way. Go.
Not pressing from that.
CJ's already better at rushing. It's time for the Jets. Fielded, and we lost by a singular point. Now we're playing the Bills. So, we're gonna lose probably. Oh, we actually won. We were at Buffalo. Broncos. Broncos country. Let's run. DJ! Let's go. Like,
I'm pretty sure they won too. No, I think they won both. I don't know. I'm not Broncos fan. Oh, yeah,
jump flag. Next quarter.
Bro, we should have kept Jameis Winston.
It was our year to win. That was an accident. All hope's lost.
It's like last year, it was like the only way. It was. Oh.
Look at that. I told you Brown was fast. Okay. Low kick.
Oh.
He was. Marquand St. Brown on streak. Turn around. Got that? We are cooked. CJ.
He caught it.
And
Wait. Brown is getting pressured. He's getting pressured. Wait. He had to score.
Get out of bounds. Yes. Mahomes is the GOAT.
He's dead. No.
Yes.
Montana is dead.
There's no way you just said Montana's the GOAT. Shoot. Montana is not a GOAT. He's not him.
He's better than Patrick Mahomes.
No, he's not. Joe Montana is not better than Patrick Mahomes. How many Super Bowls has Joe Montana won?
4.
That's not true.
It's true.
No, it's not.
How much did he win?
I don't know, but yes. Yes. He scored. We tied it. You better make that. You better make that. You better make that.
Yes. Why do you hate him so much? He also played for the Chiefs.
I know, but I don't hate him. Just Mahomes is better.
No, he isn't.
He's already won 3, and he's only 28. He retired. Joe Montana retired with only 4.
He literally always had the best players.
Yes,
He's
he
only
had
good-
Jerry Rice, the
That
best
was the
receiver
only
ever.
good
No,
player.
he had Tony Gonzalez, I think. And then he had that other really good, Terrell Owens. Our defense is the worst part of our team.
How did you know?
Yeah, Myles Garrett is gone.
That's you. You're a rookie quarterback.
Mr. Clutch. Clutch up.
Mr. It's up. No way.
That's good. Why are you selling? What's the...
Let's get this. Let's see. No, you didn't.
Yeah, I
I
did.
have a Dragon controller.
And you were playing basketball. David Njoku deserves a ring, bro. CJ. Who's better, Harrison Butker or Justin? Girl power. Unleash. Separate.
Yeah! Yeah, boy!
Okay. It's Hail Mary time. Lamar Jackson, the worst QB in the league. Well, it's easier. There's no way we're scrambling. Ha! We won.
games. And also, I like
That is X Factor. And this dude got a superstar. Alright, let's send Steelers and then Patriots after this. Alright, let's jump into this one. Wanna? No? Okay.
What?
Ain't I just the best coach ever? We went from one of the highest overall teams to one of CJ is a big upgrade from Justin Fields. Come on, we have him right there. Really, you're just sitting. We're punting. Single time we play them. We have a better record than them. Stop them. Yes, yes, yes. Stop them. Obviously, the duff is sitting out. They didn't lose anyone. Like they're the same old cracked Baltimore team. Holy head tap, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Right there. And he was young, so I don't think he retired.
And that's what I did.
I tried to dolphin dive though. Alright, we need this. We need basically no. Need a tutty now. Play of game. Chance again. Get him. Oh shoot! They're just gonna waste time. What are you guys doing? And Derrick Henry. We need him to miss this. You can give him plenty of time.
Go.
But we can't do anything.
It's called Hail Mary.
You want me to do the original Hail Mary?
Yeah, that's the original.
Right, we're gonna send the Dolphins game, okay? Steelers? Again? 91. They look stuck. Let's see if we win this.
We had probably the 3 seed. I think we should sim it. We're in the wild card round. Yes, sir.
No, let's actually just sim this game though. Literally told you that the Panthers were him. And that Bryce Young was him.
Brother.
Okay, now we are playing. Oh, we won! Bet. We're gonna sim this game and we'll watch the Super Bowl. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yes.
We're kind of dumb for simming those games because it could have gotten into year 3. This is the squad right now. Almost 99. See this, Chad?
96 over Trent McDuffie.
Told you not to trade him. Okay,
We can trade it for basketball.
we're gonna watch it and play.
Now it's Super Bowl time. Now time for the Super Bowl.
Yarg. The Pooper Bowl. We have to win. We're probably not going to get a second chance at the Super Bowl. No. Your team is selling right now. Oh, I thought you were going to be Marquand St. Brown, so I put you on a random map. We're going for this, right? Okay, it's your idea. No, you didn't. You said yeah.
I said no. I said no, then yeah. I said yes. And then no, straight before you did.
Oh.
How would you know I was whispering?
Why would you whisper? You're not really locking in right now. The slot shell plays kinda him. What was that though? You weren't though. Now you are. It's close. Well, obviously, I forced an interception.
Well, it is kind of fun.
It's fun if your team gets an interception. It's not fun when your team throws an interception. I'm literally just gonna struggle. The Vikings for Super Bowl. I'm gonna run like every play. You forward, pass it to you. Yes, yes. It's tie game. If we hold him here, we can get the ball back and score. Ah, go for it. You or me? Yeah. Still broke it though. You never know.
You never know what happened with only 3 minutes left. It's tie game. The fourth quarter, Super Bowl. This is the dumbest position. Actually.
I told you it wasn't. CJ Stroud. He got ice in his veins. I'm just trying to settle for a game-winning field goal. What do you mean? Icebreaker, CJ Stroud. Go, 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 go.
It's like him throwing the ball through ice.
Just to waste all the time on the clock. Warning. If you get it, go down. If you get it, X. Just keep going down. Waste this field goal. This game might be ours. We could win it.
Oh no, actually, oh this is.
Look, we
I
got
guess we don't need like a field goal. I know
got a while.
I think the time isn't going.
Yeah, it is. Oh no, it's not.
Oh.
Okay, 4th and goal.
Kick a field goal and just waste all the time. Like waste
Okay, I'm just making sure I'm the one kicking it. It's good. Let's go. Okay. Right here. Come on. No. Or they just clutched, I guess. Don't. Okay.
We do have 2 timeouts.
Oh my god. Is he burning?
He's burning.
Please, please, please.
No.
He got it! Please, please. Pass interference. Defense! Oh my god, let's go. To win the game. And David Njoku! Oh my god!
Just send your ID. Just send your ID. You want to say Jason 70. Okay.
60-yard field goal.
So, I'm sending no safety.
Oh no, this would be like an 80-something yard field goal. Send it deep.
Yes!
Come on! That seals the game! We won! We won!
Yes! I think I pressed the fumble.
Like and subscribe.
Now I took a 5 hours editing.
Like and subscribe and comment down which rebuild we should do. The Browns.
Who is that?
I don't know. That's us.